Hello fans of super deformed police trucks. This is a Mitsubishi Pajero, and my search is telling me this is a 1999 plus two-door Pajero, or three-door, if you count the hatchback there. You can see it's actually a pretty small little SUV. And so this is the police version. I couldn't find any photos of this as a police car though. Let's take a look here. So it has these grills here. A lot of Pajeros have brown lights there, but this 1999 one, or the year 2001, is definitely, I think, matching that one. It's a foreshortened view. It also has these ribbing details here on the side, like there too. So, and then the rear. All right. So I bought this used loose. Seems to have some scratches on it already. And on the side here, though, it's too much though. You can see a little, I don't know if that's a melt mark or it's supposed to be a door handle. But you got the police printing there. Good breakup between the white and the lower black body. The front actually has a Mitsubishi diamond molded in, just no paint detail. Okay, and then that police crest or whatever that is. You can see the smoked plastic here. You can see the motor through it. And then nice translucent police bar there, light bar. Same here, except this side has the fuel filler. Then we have some red for the tail lights, and standard construction of a tab and a screw and a tab. Interesting. This base actually has a molded like brush skid plate. I've never seen that on the bottom of a Choro-Q. Usually it's just a square and smooth. What's sad is it doesn't tell you, what this thing is here or here. So I had to spend like a good 10 minutes trying to guess what vehicle this was. Okay, I'm gonna do a wheel swap on this. Usually I don't wheel swap my police cars, but I have some truck-looking tires that I think might work on this. Yeah, so this is another one of those cases where, for some reason, this hook is wider than the gap that it went through. So I can't get that out. I'm gonna have to cut away after I sand it down a little bit. Alright, well from the bottom it looks a little weird because the front tires are wider than the rear tires, but from the side I think it works alright. I don't know what these wheels are from. I just bought a grab bag of wheels and these were in them and I repainted them silver. They were chrome originally. I don't know if they're majorettes or what. But I took these are the stock tires and wheels. This one I took the tire off and put on the Choro-Q rear tires to give it that height difference. And, alright, I think it's good enough. Alright, so a couple other police cars from Choro-Q. Here's a Honda Pato. And I have some Hot Wheels Real Riders I painted white on this one. This one has an open trunk, so I figured I'd show it to you guys. This is Choro-Q Targa Japan police thing. It's, what does it say on the side? Miami-Dade County, Miami Police. So SUV. Here's a German C-Class. And then we have a good old Italian Gallardo. And I have some of those alloy wheels that are really meant for Hot Wheels, but they work well enough for Choro-Q, so although the tires do get stretched out quite a bit, I'm afraid maybe long term those tires will snap in half because they're under so much pressure. But that's still a cool looking police car, I think. Alright. I have many more police cars, but you can just look up my Choro Police and search that and you'll see a bunch of other videos on those. So I will continue collecting these police cars because I gotta collect something. And I like this one. It looked turned out okay. Maybe I'll take a little silver Sharpie and just highlight that Mitsubishi diamond on the front. But otherwise it seems to be pretty good. Okay, well thanks for watching today. I'll see you in the next review. Bye.